All right, I am finding out which wires we need to remove for our baseboard heater system. I've pulled the plates off the wall, exposed the wires. Because I can't use a regular tester because these are 240 volts and nobody makes one, plus they don't have an outlet on them. So what we've done is I've turned off all the 240 volt breakers, and we will look for the wires coming from here using testing equipment. So we're going to put this on tone, so whenever you get close, it lets you know. Here's, I believe, the two wires that go back to the wiring panel. And now we look for the wires. Right there. Make sure it's not anywhere else here. So that's our breaker. So we will pull wires off, pull up. You can see all the rest that I've done already. We had to clear it out. The breaker was full of these 20 amp 240 volt circuits for the baseboard heaters. Those that when we were here in December cost us $300 in electricity in a matter of 10 days running in the house. Very expensive. So the replacement will be a couple of high efficiency mini splits from Senville.